Good morning and welcome back to Spanish with Lourdes. And this is lesson number 13. Whenever you have in English a word or noun that ends with tion, such as operation, or even animation. Okay? Whenever you have words in English that ends with tion, such as these two, then in order for you to turn those words into Spanish, it is quite simple. This is something very easy to remember, okay? This is the part that is going to obtain the change. You're going to be manipulating these last 4 letters of your English word. This is quite easy. Look at this. You turn your T into a C. You follow with your I. You follow with your O. However, the O is going to have a tilde. It's going to need an accent on that O, okay? So remember, the T, you just change it to a C, follow with the I, follow with the O, but write a tilde right on top of it, and then finish it up with your N. Now, you move everything before that right below. So I'm going to say O-P-E-R-A, operación, operation. You just turned the word or the noun operation into Spanish quite simple. Just by switching letters, your T became a C, then you left the I, the letter I alone, and then the O, you left it alone, but you added that tilde on top of it, and then you continued with your N, operación. So now let's turn animation into Spanish. Can you tell how this is going to look? Let us try. You move your A, you move your N, I, M, A. But what are we supposed to do now to turn animation into a Spanish word? Translated? Well, you switch, you turn your T into a C, you follow with your I, you follow with your O with a tilde on top, and then you finish it up with an N. There you go. Animación. Animation in Spanish is animación. Operation is operación. Let us do one more. Let us do constitution. Constitution. Again, the last 4 letters are the ones that we have to manipulate to turn that noun into Spanish. So do we know what we have to do here? Okay, I hope that you wrote it on your pad. Let's see. This would be C-O-N-S-T-I-T-U. But here are your last 4 letters. So now we're going to change our T into a C. We're going to follow with the I, O with a tilde, and we finish it up with the N. Constitución. Constitución is constitution. And that is how simple it is to change a noun that ends with tion in English into the Spanish word. Just change your T to a C, Follow with your I, follow with the O, and place a tilde on top of that, and finish it up with the N. Thank you for joining me, and come back for lesson number 14.